Okay, this is the bathroom we're gonna redesign. So I cut the pipe already. So I gotta put this pipe into there. Okay guys, today's project is to dig 25 feet bathroom. So I'm gonna have to redo that bathroom right there, an outdoor bathroom. And I have to dig all the way to down there to that tree. So that's my project for the day, to dig these trenches, clear the rain trenches, and then connect the thing to the sewer system, which is right there. So that will be today's project, digging 25 feet trench for plumbing, something new. So I decided to use a string. Moment of truth. You see this works so nice looking thing. I'm gonna put like a barn door. The barn door is nice. I think we should keep the barn door. I kinda like it. Moment of truth. Let's just work. The moment of truth. 1, 2, 3, and finish. Well, it works. Now, I just gotta make the pipe lower. So, long story short, see the pipe down there? Down there, see how this is? High. So, he's sitting right there on that turn. Well, got the water going, toilet works. It's a low flow though, because I think we just pressure more water or something. But I see it works because it's flush the toilet, then the water comes out this way. This is the sign of work. This is not it. It's getting 47 1. I have to get deeper though. Another day. Just playing away. But I haven't decorated yet, so then I gotta redo the plumbing because Auntie wants new toilets. She wants a harder flush, not a low flow, because low flow is not working out for her. Long story short, progress is coming along. All right, bye bye. Morning, guys. Day number 3. Buy So, recap. So what I learned is, from this project, don't think you're gonna run into a lot of problems, and then you're gonna have to go look for supplies, and that's gonna take most of your time. This is plumbing. So, this is what I'm learning from this lesson. So I'm gonna install the new toilet, and then of course redo the piping again, and add a water system, because that's what Auntie wants. Let's see how that goes. Alright, talk to you guys later. Gotta get to work because I think I took a little bit more than I asked for. And that's it. I mean, our part is searching for the right training, not knowing what you're doing, guessing, taking the time you're cutting or fixing, yes. But this thing is quite connected from the main line over here. And now I'm doing the toilet. Okay guys, install the bathroom, or the toilet, piping, toilet, everything done. You got number 2. I just put the lid in it. They wouldn't put that on there. One number 2, and here's what you could do. Everything is proper. I've never been so happy. Sometimes you do what you gotta do and you get it done. Whatever you have. But I'm not done yet because up next is the flooring. See, I gotta do the flooring. So I wanna see how that works out. But okay, later, it's gonna work. Bye bye. So what I'm gonna do is pour concrete because I didn't really want to cut the pieces. I think concrete was solidified longer. So pour a little concrete on there. So mix it up. Good morning. Today I'm gonna dig the trench. Sewer line trench digging. Working in these woods are not easy. It's a challenge. It's like everything else in life is a challenge. Okay, next step for me will be now making this to the sky. So I have to measure measurements I gotta do. Alright guys, there is the exterior of the scrap wood outhouse. That's what I would call it, the scrap wood outhouse. Finished the bathroom, but I sprayed it down, cleaned it up, gave it a little good barn looking patina. Like a good patina of a barn. And then it's kind of cool. Kind of cool beans, man. I'm gonna do the roof, but I'm just gonna paint the roof black. So when you can look in, a dark color at least. And you see the white, and you see the tan. So this is my scrap wood outhouse. Morning, guys. Well, today I'm gonna paint the shed. Bathroom shed. Scrap wood shed. So, see how it goes. And you guys can see the results of it later. 1 week of straight manual brain power labor. But I am sitting on my throne right now that I just finished. So I just wanted to recap this scrap wood outhouse here. Overall, it's not that bad. Spent less than $400 for material, which is the most thing. The only thing that cost us is, you know, it's the toilet, and of course, you know, and all the material was around the farm, so we didn't really have to buy anything except the toilet. That's about it. Long story short, what I got out of this is, one, you can take your supplies to the store and look for the parts. Take your parts there. It's easier because you waste time going back and forth to look for supplies smoothly. Two, write things down. If the person wants a certain thing, all you need to do is write it down on a piece of paper, double check it, and say this is it. Because as most construction people know, add-ons. Oh, I came to fix the bathroom, then I added the paint, then I added the toilet, and then I added, there were so many add-ons. But, you know, you accept the project, you accept the project, and then you just finish the project. Because, you know, you committed to it, I guess, because you accepted it. So, take all the broken parts or the supplies you need to the supply store to write everything down, what they want, be specific. There's going to be a lot of add-ons to just, and I didn't know that I know how to do basic plumbing. This shit. Oh well, too much zip tapping. Check this out, guys. This is my proudest thing. Flooring. Wow, and it's nice. And we are done with the project. Alright, talk to you guys later. And thank you for joining on this mission of creativity. Use what you got. Upcycle 2025.